interesting out here.
It was really cool, soft walking.
Yeah, I know. It's softer back
Wet
there.
sand.
Petrified dunes.
Fucking wet Utah is the best.
Let's walk over here.
What?
But that valley's filled up that we saw from above yesterday.
Yeah. So I'm interested to see what's going on over here. This is a fucking lake now. Pond. And I'm gonna walk through it with my shrimp boots. What? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Deepy deep. Deepy deep.
It's still dry
Yeah.
after all that rain. You made it good.
That's where people come down it with their cars.
I don't know if I want to go that way or this way.
Wow. Definitely this way. This is where flash flood comes to. Oh my God, look at this little pool.
Cool.
Wow.
It's carving its own little river in this sandstone.
Yeah.
Look at all the debris catches right here. Some cacti under that shrub up there. Looking like it's doing pretty well.